We have a bit of a problem here. Okay. What are you for? Oh no.
Hull secure.
Hey, it worked. Oh, it didn't work. Oh my goodness. Hey everybody, Jeff here for Pear, Nerfect Gaming. Please don't mind the hair. It's a little crazy today. But that won't matter because look, another VR video with the Oculus Quest 2. So remember, you need to like, subscribe, comment, and notifications. And keep watching Pear Nerfect videos. So I am now going to jump into the third level of I Expect You to Die. Let's see if I can make it through this one without actually getting exploded or killed by poison gas. We'll see. I know that is very unlikely, but we'll see what happens. Let's go right into it. Oh, what's this? Oh, language settings. That's new. So I can play this in a different language if I wanted to. So let's take Squeaky Clean out. So this new one is called Operation Deep Dive. See what he says.
Your next mission will take you to the beautiful Caribbean, but this is no vacation. I already told you we can't afford that. You'll need to destroy Zor's top secret submarine, but don't count on using an escape pod. We find those things at the bottom of the ocean all the time. The people inside are usually pretty dead.
Yes, I can imagine that. If you're at the bottom of the ocean in an escape pod, I'm gonna assume that you're dead. There's a little present that I got from the last one. Kablamo! Sorry, 2 ones ago. I just have a... Whoa, okay, let's start. Let's start before I kill myself in my office. Okay, what do I got here? Broken? Flare?
Welcome to our state-of-the-art Zoraxis escape pod. An explosion has disabled primary functions. This is an emergency. Please start engine manually.
Ooh. Look at that. I think I have an extra part of the secret code. There's another piece of it. What is that code for? Self-destruct abort code. Well, that is very good to know. Here's a small gift to pay your meddling. You're meddling in my wedding. Hope you don't mind. I kept the pin for myself, Dr. Zor. Ooh. Oh, he gave me a grenade. That's not very nice of you. Okay, I have almost no fuel. It's very cold in here. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness! I don't know why I couldn't pick that up. Okay, well don't do that yet. Okay. Don't pull that. Don't open that. There is an explosive device in there.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art Zoraxis escape pod. An explosion has disabled primary functions.
Yep.
This is an emergency.
The last explosion
Please start engine manually.
just killed me. So that's not good. What do I do with the... Whoa, there's... Huh. What do I do with that? Plop, 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 plop. Well, maybe I'll save you for later. Let's open up this water pump. Ah. I feel like the sound of is a good sound. I need to plug that with something. Can I put the caulking in there? Nope. Okay. Oxygen level. Well, that was a bad idea.
Oxygen level adequate.
Woo! I gotta stop doing stupid things. Okay. Self-destruct abort code. Okay, I feel like that one, just in case, I might want to memorize this number because I feel like that's pretty important. And it looks like it's the same number each time. Okay, stop. I'm trying to get the paper. Okay, so let's remember 72538. Repeat for each number. Oh my god. Turn dial to number. What dial? What are we talking about here? I don't see a dial. Okay, well, this is going to be a lot longer. Oh. Haha. Okay. 72538. Turn dial to number, set Q band if odd, set Z band if even, confirm number. Oh, that seems like a lot of work. I'm gonna forget how to do that a lot of times. What does this do? Open? Okay, let's close it. What is that one? Follow it, that's the ballast. Oh, they gotta make this easier to turn around. Oh, my back. Okay. So what is that one? That's the one back there. What was that? Oh no. We have a bit of a problem here. What are you for? Oh no.
Hull secure.
Hey, it worked. Oh, it didn't work. Oh my goodness. This is going to be a tough one. I have no idea what to do. Let's start at the start, okay? Let's put some fuel in there. I need fuel.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art.
What is in here? Another flare gun.
An explosion has disabled primary functions. This is an emergency.
Put the pin back in.
Please start engine manually.
Well, don't pick up the grenades because they just blow up right away. What about you? Oh, there's stuff in here. Okay, there's an old moldy sandwich.
Welcome to our
And
state-of-the-art.
there's something to open up stuff.
An explosion has disabled
What's a
primary
send?
functions.
Can I send?
This is an emergency. Please start engine manually.
Yeah, I heard you the first time. Oh, I see. When I pull this, it takes the top of this off. So if I do this... Is this? Oh, I know what to do. Can I fill that up? Oh, I can too. Oh, I'm so smart. Oh, I didn't want to do that! No! Ah! Oh, it still killed me. I'm gonna have to use the old thinker on this one. Let's see if I can do this.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art
Fill this
Xeraxis
up
escape pod.
with fuel.
An explosion has disabled primary functions.
I hope this is
is
fuel.
an emergency. Please start engine manually.
I don't know what this is. I should probably... It's ballast? Reserve fuel. Is that one. Oh. This is the reserve fuel. I probably should have put that in there instead of water. Okay. That's a good start. Let's close you so we don't get fuel all over the place. Let's close you because that's annoying. Okay, can I just pick you up? No! Ah! I have a theory. Nope.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art Xeraxis escape pod. An explosion has...
Turn you off. I feel like there should be a way for me to... Okay, well I can't do that. Now what?
Escape pod drained.
Is that good? Oh, the engine. So I did one green. That's good. Okay. Where's my bottle? Grab my bottle. Okay, how much do I need? That's probably good. Okay. Now I'm just gonna hold on to this. Got the engine going.
Engine running.
Is that it? Let's go. Look at that.
Wasn't that easy? The engine is engaged and we are starting our ascent.
Perfect.
Just sit back and relax.
Oh no. Oh no.
System malfunction.
Oh no. Fire extinguisher! No! Ah! I died because of fire because I had to hold on to the grenade so it wouldn't explode. How do I get the grenade out without exploding? Let me try some tests.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art Xeraxis escape pod.
Well, that
An
was...
explosion has disabled primary functions.
That was a mistake.
This is an emergency.
Maybe what I should do is... No, it does it every time.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art Xeraxis escape pod. An explosion has...
What to do with Senor Granadas? I'm working hard now. Working hard for my money. So hard for it, honey. I feel like this is really teaching me things on how to survive. This is the escape pod that they were talking about. No wonder he was like, yeah, you always end up at the bottom of the ocean dead. Well, I'm feeling you, man. I wonder if the grenades would still explode in there. Let's try. Yep, still killed me. Oh, I see.
Escape pod drained.
Man, I'm dumb sometimes. Hold on, you. Turn you on.
Engine running.
Did I do it? Did I do it this time? Oh, send. We're doing it. We're doing it.
Wasn't that easy? The engine is engaged and we are starting our ascent. Just sit back and relax.
Oh yeah, this is
System malfunction. Warning. Engine overheating.
Yep. Already
No leaks detected.
put it out.
Engine temperature critical. Explosion imminent.
You serious? How do I put it out? Oh my god! Water!
Would you like
Water!
to vent oxygen?
The engine blew up. How do I cool down the engine? While also holding onto a grenade.
Engine running.
Boom! Let's do this.
Wasn't that easy?
Well,
The engine is engaged and we are starting our ascent. Just sit back and relax.
I'd say not quite as easy as you make it seem.
System malfunction. Would you like to vent oxygen?
No.
Venting oxygen.
No! What are you doing? I need oxygen to live. No! Ah! Ah! Why? Why are you doing that? You killed me!
Engine overheating.
Oh,
Would you like to vent oxygen?
no, no,
Venting oxygen.
no, no! How? Why?
Oxygen level. Self-destruct in 90 seconds. Enter override code to board.
This is my worst case scenario. Okay, what is the thing? Come here. It's happening. What is it? 7? And what does it say? If it is a Q band is odd.
5-digit code required.
Q band. Okay. Next is 2. Z band. If even. Okay. 5.
5-digit code 9, 8, 7.
Oh,
Six.
that sucks.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Self-destruct aboard.
Oh my god! Do not drop this grenade. Holy,
We hope your escape pod experience was a pleasant one.
holy moly.
Gather all your belongings, open the hatch above you, and signal your rescuers.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Oh,
Our communications are back online, Agent. Signal us to let us know your location.
right there. Holy, I am sweating.
Ah, there you are, Agent. We thought we'd lost you to the wiles of the Caribbean.
Oh!
We're approaching your position now.
No! Oh, I did it! Oh my god.
I hate to say I told you so.
Oh.
No, wait.
Wow. I almost killed myself. I literally had 1 second left. Holy, that was scary. Oh. Okay, I need to change my pants now. That was scary. Okay, well, I figured it out after a while, but wow, that was tough. Okay, so guys, I think I'm gonna end this video right there because that was really scary. And I need a few minutes break because that was intense. Wow, whew. Okay, so remember notifications like comments, blah, 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 subscribe, and keep watching Pear Nerfect videos. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.
Pear Nerfect Gaming.